Okay. Craig, I'm kind of going through your stuff right now. This is your bike. We got it pulled down. So far, so good. Your frame is got a little bit of dinging right here, but that's not the end of the world. A little bit. We can dress that up. I think that's fine. The pin's nice and straight. However, what I want to talk to you about right away is the wheels. Okay. Got your wheel apart. It's not bent. And you have matching date codes on the rims, which I believe is 5A, I thought I saw. Okay, so here's 5A on the rear, got 5A on the front. You got two things going on. These rims, I think we can clean them up. But if you look, we're going to have some issues here with the pitting. There's a couple different ways we can go. If we get these re-chromed for the right dates, we can get that done. However, the only place that I know that does this is called Paul's Chrome in Pennsylvania, and this is very costly to do this. And what they would do would be they would re-stencil this, because once you do this, they have to get the nickel off and everything. Then this will not have this detail any longer. If you have a chrome shop, now I've not tested your front rim yet, but we're getting ready to take it apart, as you can see. So if you have a good chromer that you trust that can do this and get the writing, we're so happy to oblige. However, let us know. I would suggest if either a reproduction rim or rechroming, but I think what we're going to do is we're going to clean it up the best we possibly can today, and I'll send you some pictures of them. But I think you're going to have a little bit of pitting. You're not going to like it. And then also I need to know if you want genuine style spokes. I import these spokes from Japan. They're different than everybody else's on the market. They have a really nice gold tint, and I'll show you what they look like over here. This has a nice gold tint. I buy these from Japan, like I just said. Now, if you want to go stainless steel with stainless nipples, then the nipple is going to look like stainless steel instead of a goldish color like this. These are the best spokes available. However, what's different on these spokes than the regular ones, on the inside they have a Phillips head, where the genuine ones had a flat head. So we're going to start scrubbing up here on this rear wheel, and tell me what you think, and let me know where you want to go with the spokes. I'll show you a sample of the stainless spokes. Okay, this is obviously a KZ900 front wheel, but this is the stainless steel spokes with the stainless nipples. Now, the finish ought to last us both our lifetimes with these spokes and the stainless nipples. You can do that. A lot of people do. So let me know what you're thinking on the wheels, because we're getting started on all this right now. We're going to talk to you about your motor later, but this is the first thing I wanted to do because we have cleanup people here today. But anyway, stainless steel, stainless nipples is popular. These are made by Buchanan in California. The other ones I get from Japan. So they're just about the same as genuine. No one can really tell. However, let me know on the rims. Now this would be a rim. These are reproduction rims that we have available, and these are DID. Now these look really close. However, you know, one thing that's not right there's no date codes. And they're stamped DID on the side. So I'm going to clean the rims up for you today. I'll send you pictures, and we'd like me to make a decision on this as soon as we can. Okay, thanks.